tell by the title of this video, I am getting a new car today. My passenger Dalal doesn't actually know what on earth it is, so we'll keep it a surprise for him. And this is actually quite a big surprise to you guys as well, because I was supposed to get a Mini Cooper S 2018, and you're probably asking what happened to the Mini Cooper S. Did the deal fall through? And unfortunately, yes, it did. Hyundai Nottingham, who I was buying it from, didn't sell me the car because it had a mechanical failure apparently with it. Not too sure how much I want to believe that, but my passenger Dalal, he thinks I got fobbed off. I'm 50-50. You reckon I got fobbed off?
Oh, he might change his mind, you never know.
Let's talk about the good stuff though. Let's talk about the payments. £2 down, £340 a month, insurance 60 quid, car tax 180 over 4 years. No, he wasn't saying that when we were off camera, but anyway.
How about this, man?
Go on, Dal, please, go ahead. What are you saying? Go ahead.
Okay.
Let it all out.
I think, personally, what you should have done is ask the audience what car, like, they think you should get. And if they hit a certain amount of likes, then you would buy the car of the top comment, the most liked comment as well. I think that would make it a bit more interesting. Do you not think?
Well, I'll do that next time, alright? I need to film your reaction. You don't know what it is. This is going to be funny.
Yeah, I can't wait. I can't wait. I'm either going to be shocked, excited and happy for you, or I'm going to be laughing my ass off.
You got no idea. This is funny, mate. This is funny, bro. It's BMW, there's BMW in it. It's BMW.
Oh, it's a BMW?
No, there's a possibility.
It's a pot. It is a BMW, isn't it?
No, it's not BMW.
It is.
Alright, you'll see, you'll see.
What happened to BMW's shit? Huh? I think I smell a hypocrite. Do you not? Do you not smell that?
Which one do you think it is?
Wait, one second. I have to stop for a second.
What are you doing?
I'll do more checks on the car.
Dal, it's right in front of you. It's right in
Vehicle
front.
smart.
It's right in front of you. It's
What's
right in front of you.
Is it the Audi?
No, there's one in front. It's right in front of you.
Bro, you're paying 15k for that. Bro, you'd get that fucking Mercedes AMG.
I'm not paying 15 grand for an SLK, man.
But you're paying 15k for this shit. Bro, that is a fun car. That screams Armageddon. That screams Armageddon reviews, mate. Trust me. Guys, would you not love... Wait, come here.
Go on.
Here. You can't even see it. Look. Where is it? This car.
I'm paying 15 grand for an SLK.
Yeah, but you're paying 15 grand for this. Not worth it, mate, if you ask me. You thought my reaction was going to be entertaining.
God damn it, man. I'm so screwed. Do you reckon it's open?
Oh, this one.
Look, it could be worse, man. Look, man, from the back it's nice. From the side, is there any... Just do final checks. What would you do?
What I really like is the exhaust.
Yeah, it sounds good, man. It sounds good. Is there any, like...
It doesn't matter, just sound. So you're telling me this is going to smoke this?
Oh, 100%.
What's the BHP?
This is 230 BHP, about 230 pounds foot. Let's go get the keys and go for a test drive. Hop in, bro. What do you think? All right, we've got the keys for a test drive.
I think you should have got that Volvo.
I should have got that Volvo, yeah. It's all right.
That Volvo would last you so long.
What do you think initially? No, honestly, honest thoughts. I know you've said. All right, listen to the start. Wait. Is that good?
Honda Civic did that.
I know it did. I know it did.
Yeah, and I was not impressed by it.
We've got national speed limit. National speed limit, all.
Okay.
Let's see what it's like. Go on. We
Just
ready?
watch my body movement. Bear in mind, I'm a heavy guy. Wheel spin. Yeah. Go on, why'd you stop there? Why'd you stop there? Just keep going.
Alright, I'll do it on the way
I want to
back.
see the fucking 0 to 60.
That was 0 to 60.
Was it?
Yeah.
Was it? How many seconds was that?
It was freaking quick.
Is that handle good?
Yeah.
Stick, yeah. That's why the minis are like rally cars, bro. well-priced, practical car that you will definitely enjoy, ask Armageddon.
He's changed his mind, pal. You're
car.
gonna drive this. You're gonna drive it.
Oh yeah, of course I'm gonna drive
Yeah,
it.
you're gonna drive it. You're gonna feel it. So, right.
But yeah, but I'm not paying
Are you
for
ready?
it. That's why I'm gonna enjoy it. I'm gonna enjoy it because I'm not paying for it.
You ready?
Go on. See the just kickback. Bro, yeah, bro, you're barely going in a straight line.
It's
You're like, alright, let me close the window. I'm gonna sick him. Allah!
bro, okay. Right, it's
Edit that scream out. Don't put that in. I'll slap the shit out of you. No parking sensors.
It's tiny.
Are you mad? Oh, do you know what? Do you know what you should get? You should get the mirror thing here, the touchscreen mirror. It's a dash cam, and if you want, I can do all your wiring for you because I've done it like 30 times. You get it here. Obviously, it's your dash cam, and you can see your front and your rear. So
Yeah.
it's like a reverse, obviously without no
I'm gonna get a
sensors.
dash cam.
But literally, you'll just stick it on the window there because I did that in the 1 Series, mate, and honestly, it helped me out so much.
Okay.
Trust me, it's worth about 80 to 120 quid. Depends on which model you get.
Yeah.
If you get the full screen one, it's better, obviously. But if you get that on Amazon, trust me, like you don't actually need like sensors or rear view mirror. You can just fucking do it yourself.
Anyway, regardless of the price, I know it's pretty hefty, 15 grand.
You could have got a Volvo for 5.
Yeah, exactly.
A very cool
In
one.
there.
Yeah, we'll show you. We'll show you guys a quick snippet now.
Yeah, I could have got that, which looks pretty fun. It's
Yeah.
240.
There's a lot that you can do with that one.
Exactly.
You know, turn that shit into a low rider. I mean,
Let me know what you think of this. Is it worth 15 grand? Is it worth 13 grand? Is it worth 12 grand? Which is what We Buy Any Car says.
yes, that's what they suggest.
Yeah. Anyway.
Officially, you are a racer boy. You can now put your cap on too. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's
So here we have it, boys. We've bought the car. Let's head off home. Let's go. Let's see how it is. Ownership starts today. All right, driving the JCW Mini for the first time. Ownership. It's very weird. It's very weird. I'm not going to keep this car for long. It's only for a short while. But it's going to be fun regardless. I am waiting on my Type R order. I'm not too sure how long that's going to take to come. Hence why I've gone for something a little bit fun. I was going to get a diesel Golf, but I just thought, you know what, life's too short, go for a Mini Cooper JCW, why not? Like, this windscreen is so small. It's the only thing I hate in the Mini Coopers, because it's just bloody tiny. Don't think the car's that wide. I'm not too sure how good fuel economy is going to be in this car. This gear stick is a little bit higher than the Mini Cooper S is. There's no armrest. As mentioned, I am going to get a armrest off eBay. It's about 200 quid and I'm going to install it myself. So install video coming soon on that. But yeah, it's a fun car, 100%. These seats are so nice. These seats are so nice. Of course, Pirelli tyres on. They do grip so well. Really well. But yeah, as for the Type R situation, we need to talk about this. The Type R, I've put my order in. I'm the first order to be in Cornwall. So that's going to be interesting. Hopefully I've put it in first choice as black and second choice as Sonic Pearl Grey. So we'll see what the situation is. Honestly, I am not letting this happen again where I don't get a car. I put £500 in with Toyota at a dealer and they didn't order my car and I didn't get a GR86. This time I've literally took names of the people I've spoke to, so if anyone says, oh, he didn't say that, he didn't say this, I'm literally gonna be like, no, this person said this to me. I'm getting this Type R, boys. I'm getting this Type R. There's no way around it.